Hi, Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. I'm here today with John Kerkes with State Farm. So John, do I need earthquake insurance?
Well, the simple answer is if you want to be covered for earthquake damage, you need earthquake insurance. In California, homeowners policies by default, they're not going to include earthquake coverage. So if you do want to be able to rebuild or repair your home after an earthquake, you certainly need to have earthquake insurance. Policies here in California are going to be backed by the California Earthquake Authority. And they generally have a 5%, 10%, or 15% deductible. So it is going to be a little bit of a higher deductible on those policies. To give you an example, if the home rebuild cost is estimated at $300,000, that deductible might be $15,000, $30,000, or $45,000. You have the choice to pick which one you want. The idea is if you don't have earthquake coverage and the big one hits, and let's say you're facing $150,000, $200,000 in repairs, without earthquake insurance, that's devastating to most people. If you have earthquake insurance, you have a $15,000 deductible or a $30,000 deductible, it's going to hurt.
You're coming back from that.
It's going to hurt.
Yeah.
But it's not going to be, it's not going to ruin you typically. So,
Sure.
The simple answer is if you want to be covered for earthquake, you got to have earthquake insurance. And you'll typically get that policy through whatever carrier insures your home. So if you're with company A, company B, that company who provides your primary homeowner's insurance will be the one to write the policy for the earthquake insurance. However, financially, it's backed by the California Earthquake Authority.
Okay, that makes sense. You need an earthquake policy or a homeowner's insurance policy, guy, Dr. John. Dave Feldberg, Coastal Real Estate Group. If you have any questions, we'd love to hear from you.